So welcome back everybody. I'm by name Innocent D host. I'm going to teach you how to make this blue effect with your smartphone. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have your mobile data on. Then you now go and type this app. You make sure that you have this Gemini app here. So if you are not having this app, make sure you go to Play Store. Make sure you go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store. You install this Gemini app by searching Google Gemini, and it's going to pop up like this. Look at it here. Make sure you get this app here. Then the second app we'll be using is Pinterest. This Pinterest here. Make sure that you have these two apps. So let's get started. Firstly, you go to your Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest and type. Firstly, you go to your Pinterest, that open and type PSD 3D text. I wait for it to come up. Then you now see so many of these text. Then I select the one you want to choose, or the one that you want to change. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll come to these three dots here. Then I'll click download. Automatically is going to show you image downloaded. Then secondly, you now go to the second app, which is Gemini. You now go there, you allow it open. You now see this plus sign down here, gallery. Then the next thing, you select the text, you select the image that you just saved. Then you now start typing. He said change this oil 3D text to let me just say to my name, to Innocent, and remove any other text and objects in the background. So you now send it. But make sure if you are doing this, you have your data in less than 30 seconds. Let me say, if you have enough data, you have good network, in less. So as you can see, it has come up. Then the next thing you are going to do is you click it. You now come to this save down here. We show you downloading full size. Then it's downloaded. Then you can now open it and see your text that you have edited. So the next thing you do is you now go to, make sure that you have this photo room, this photo room app here. Then it now starts from photo. It is open. You now start from photo. Then you now come and click the one that you have edited. You now wait for it to now scroll till it is done. Good. Now it has automatically removed the background for you. Then you now see transparency under this classic here. You now see transparency. You click it. You export it. You now wait for it. You show export it to, now it is done. Then the next thing, now cut your Pixelab. And I now import it in. And boom, you have your text now on Pixelab. Hope you all understand. If you find this helpful, please you subscribe, you follow, and share to many others. Thank you.